Hi, Adrian from White Hat Automation here. I'm going to have a look at the quick sentence rewriting feature of SpinnerChief. Now, when you've got yourself an article and you need to rewrite it, many people will say the best way to rewrite this article is just rewrite it yourself. Don't spin anything, because that way you'll get a very good quality product that makes sense and that will be totally original because you wrote it. However, the problem with this for many people is that to rewrite an article seems to be a huge task, and it is beyond many people, because where do you begin? How do you start? So this function is here to help you do that, to help you personally rewrite articles. And there are many people who are of the opinion that spinning articles, especially articles that are not your own, is a slightly suspect occupation to be doing. And I think even those people, or many of those people, will find this function acceptable because you are genuinely going to rewrite the article yourself with the aid of SpinnerChief. So if you look down to the, I've got a paragraph in here, that's all we'll use to demonstrate. If you look down to the bottom, we've got quick sentence rewriting tab here, so I'll click on that. And what we're going to do is split the article, or this paragraph, into very small, manageable chunks, bit by bit, that you can just easily rewrite. And on the left here are the punctuation marks that are going to be used to split up the sentences. So they're not, strictly speaking, going to be sentences, because there might be a comma splitting up, which would make it just a little phrase on its own. But the point being that it's just a few words on its own for you to rewrite, which makes the whole task a lot easier. So I'll move on and show you exactly how this works. Just click into the before the first letter there, and then we can get underway. So we're going to click here on this button here, which is going to highlight the first sentence or phrase. There it is highlighted when you really need to lose a few pounds in a hurry. So all you've got to do is rewrite that in your own words. If you need to lose some quick pounds. There you are. I'm happy with that. Now I'll move over to here to add it. So you can see that SpinnerChief has added it in the form of spin tags. Now I'll click this button again to move on to the next phrase, and click back into this edit box here where I first typed. The phrase is, there are a few things that you can do. There are a few things that you can do. There are a number of measures you can take. There you are, that's how I'd rewrite that. Add it, highlight the next phrase, click in the box. Next phrase is to help make sure that you achieve your goal. To aid you as you strive to reach your target. Add it. Move on to the next sentence. See how this works? It's just very easy because it's only small little phrases and small sentences that you're having to rewrite. This involves being on an extremely restricted. This means taking part in a very limited. Add it, next phrase, click in. See how this works? You get into a rhythm. Low calorie diet, reduced calorie diet system. And the great thing about this is there's no spinning, there's no plagiarism really. This is research and you're rewriting. So add that, move on to the next, and click in the box. And there are going to be times when you are going to falter, and there will be occasions when you struggle. Add it, next phrase, click. some of the things that you can do. Some of the measures you can take. Add. Next phrase. Click. That will help you lose weight fast. Include. Aid your effort. That will aid your efforts to shed pounds quickly. Include. Aid your efforts to shed pounds quickly. Include. Add it. And that's it. Now all we've got to do is spin it. So we're going to spin it and don't use the original words. So we get an absolutely brand new composition, i.e. the words that I've just written. So we only want one article here because it's an article rewrite. Don't use the original word. And you don't want to be selecting synonyms for the word. You don't want to be auto-spinning because we've already spun it. All we want is what you've just written. So the frequency doesn't matter. In fact, none of those matter now because we're not using a thesaurus. We're just using what you've written yourself. So if we spin that, there it is. If you need to lose some quick pounds, there are a number of measures you can take to aid you as you strive to reach your target. This means taking part in a very limited reduced calorie diet system, and there will be occasions when you struggle. Some of the measures you can take that will aid you or have missed out in your efforts to shed pounds quickly include. So you can see this is a very handy, very useful tool to help you completely rewrite an article in your own words. And in that respect, you could arguably say this is the most powerful tool that SpinnerChief has. Not many people know about it, not many people use it, and this is why we decided to do a video tutorial on this feature. You can see that the way SpinnerChief splits up those sentences into small little phrases that are very easy for you to handle enables you to completely rewrite a full article on your own using your own words. And the end result is an article that really genuinely is completely unique and written in your own words. I hope you find a lot of use in this feature. Thank you for watching. See you later.